Okay, good morning, SLC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss? Mean for discrete frequency distribution. Today, we are going to the next one, continuous frequency distribution. Mean of continuous frequency distribution. Okay, we are going to exercise 13.1. Exercise 13.1. The first problem is, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses. Regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Mean number of plants per house. This is one. So number of house per mean. Main thing is mean. So next, data. Number of plants, number of houses, number of plants, number of houses. In continuous frequency distribution means class intervals 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 14, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 4. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. This is the problem. Which method did you use? Which method did you use? Which method did you use for finding the mean? For finding the mean. And why? Which method did you use for finding the mean and why? So, how many mean? For the mean, how many methods are there? 3 methods are there. First one, direct method, assumed mean method, step division method. So, first of all, draw the table. Before the table, what is the class mark? First of all, formula, formula, direct method. So, direct method, mean formula, sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. So, assumed mean method, a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Here di is equal to what? Di is equal to xi, observations minus a. Assumed, a is assumed. For the on the observation, a is assumed. Next, step division method. Step division method, x bar is equal to a bar plus sigma x fi into ui by sigma fi into h. Here ui is equal to di by h. What is h? Class interval difference. Difference of class interval. Difference of class intervals. Difference of class interval h. H is equal to difference of difference of class intervals. Okay, so this is the three formulas. So first to fi, actually fi already given. This is number of houses means frequencies. Fi already given. Xi, how to find out xi? Class mark. Formula class mark. Class mark xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. So first to table, draw the table first. Number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. Okay, first we have to observe this is interval, class intervals are continuous or not. Continuous means what? In the first interval upper class limit to, second interval lower class limit to, if both are equal means the class intervals are continuous. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, the all class interval continuous. So continuous means okay, no problem. Okay, go to the next one. So fi already given. Fi means what? Number of hours. 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Adding, the total is 20. Sigma fi is equal to 20. Next to xi, class mark. So class mark fi xi. Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. What is the upper class limit? 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 by 2 is equal to 1. No. 2, 4 plus 2, 6 by 2 is equal to 3. For 6 plus 4, 10 by 2 is equal to 5. 6 plus 8, 14, 7, 9, 11, 13. This is xi. For example, ఈ fi, xi, ఈ both values small values. For example, the xi and fi values, fi and xi values are small values near to without point wise numbers or are small numbers. So fi, xi very small number, 5, 9. This is simple to, so you have to simple calculation. So that's why fi and xi are both are maybe maximum near to the small numbers. Okay, small numbers means apply the direct method. Small numbers, because 1 into 1 simply fi into xi. What is the direct method mean? Direct method formula sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. So fi, xi both are small numbers, small one. So we have to apply, we can apply direct method. So anyone fi or xi both or any one of fi and xi are numbers are very big. So you have to apply assume method. Assume method means di is equal to xi minus a, simple xi minus a. So fi into di, what is the assume mean method? Fi already given, fi di. So fi xi is big values, means are big values, so you have to apply assume mean method. So assume mean method, first we have to calculate di. So fi di both are any one of the fi and di. So bigger values means we have to apply step division method. The direct method, assume mean method and step division method, the three are simple. This is the compared to assume method, compared to direct method. Assume method is simple, and simple means simple calculations, maximum below 10, 8, 5, 2, this one. So compared to assume mean method and step division method, compared to both, the step division method is very easy calculations, So compared to direct method, step division method, anyone, this is the maximum. Compared to this one, the step division is very easy calculations, and this is also. So we have to apply anyone, direct method or assume method, step division method, you can even interest. So is particularly given, for example, the problem, the find mean of the data by using the direct method, particularly direct method, assume mean method, step division method, particularly you have to given. So compulsory that method will use, be used. So fi into xi, both values are maximum, the small values, so calculate easily directly without calculator. So next one, fi into xi. Okay, understand? Fi into xi, fi xi values large means apply the assume mean method. So fi di are also big values, means step division method. Okay, not compulsory big values, so you have to apply assume method, step division method, not compulsory, your own interest. Okay, so fi into xi, 1 into 1 1, 2 into 3 6, 1 into 5 5, 5 into 7 35, 6 into 9 54, 11 into 2 22, 13 into 3 39. This is total value is 162. This is what sigma fi into xi is equal to. So I have been used the direct method because fi and xi are small values. So mean, direct method. Formula, mean x bar is equal to sigma I is equal to 1 to how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7. I is equal to 1 to 7 fi into xi by sigma fi. Here sigma fi into xi is equal to 162, sigma fi is equal to 20. So that is equal to 160 by 20, that is equal to 8. Okay, 162 by 20, this is 162 by 20, this is nearly 8.1. For example, 162 by 20, 28, 160 to 0.120 calculation, 8.1. So what is asking, which method did you use for the mean and high? What is the final one? The mean number of plants. What is the problem? Mean number of plants for house. So therefore mean number of plants per house. Mean number of plants per house is 8. Each house each out average each house 8.1 plants, this one. So okay, mean completed. Next, what is the question? Which method did you use for finding the mean and why? Okay, direct method has been used, therefore direct method has been used as the values of class mark, values of class marks xi and fi. Xi and fi are small. Okay, here direct method has been used as the class marks xi and fi are small. Xi and fi are small, that's why I have been used direct method. Okay, clear? This one, fi xi small, fi so direct method. Fi xi both are any one of fi and xi are the bigger value, point values is something calculation is very difficult, that's why when using the assume mean method or step division method, your own interest. Okay, this is the mean by the direct method. Okay, next. Clear? Next, in exercise, third problem, second problem, homework, third problem. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance. Daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. Please stop. The mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. The mean pocket allowance is 18 rupees. So given, what is the data given? Mean x bar is equal to 18 rupees. Mean given the mean only. Okay, find missing frequency f. Find the missing frequency f. In the given table, one frequency missing. Daily pocket allowance, DPA, daily pocket allowance, number of workers, the class interval 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25, 23 to 25. So number of workers 7, 6, 9, 13, F missing, F 5, 4, this one. Okay, clear? Are you clear? Okay. So table, what is given? Solution. What is done? Next to only find the missing frequency, find F. Solution given mean x bar is equal to 18 rupees. So table DPA, daily pocket allowance, 11 to 13, 13 to 15, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21, 21 to 23, 23 to 25. Next, frequencies, number of workers, F5 frequency 7, 6, 9, 13, F5, 4. Total is, total adding 7, 13, 22, 35, 44, 44 plus F, total 44 plus F. Compulsory. Next one, class mark. Class mark xi. What is the formula class mark xi? Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. This is the formula of class mark. Next, 11 plus 13, 24, 24 by 2, 12, 28 by 2, 14, adding 2, 2, 2, each and every one, because the difference of class interval 13 minus 11 is equal to 15 minus 30 is equal to, so we have to add 2 all, each and every one. 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 22, 24 xi. So here we have to observe fi into xi. So 12 into 7, 16 into 9, 18 into 13, 24 into 4, 24 into 5, 22b. So the xi, the class marks are, values are big one, big values. So we have to apply assume mean method. Assume mean, how to apply assume mean method? Next to di. Di is equal to what? Xi minus xi minus a. So what is a? D is equal to xi minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 observations, xi are called observations. In 7 observation near to middle value, you won't interest, maximum near to middle value 16 also you have to take. You can take 16, 20 or anyone. So middle is the best one. So a is equal to 18. So formula di is equal to what? Xi minus a. Xi minus a is equal to what? 18. Xi 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8 is equal to minus 6. 14 minus 8 is equal to minus 4. 16 minus 8 is equal to 2. 0. Next to 2, 4, 6. Total is 0. Okay. This is xi. This is xi. Xi minus 18. 12 minus 18 minus 6. Okay. Next to fi into di. Next to fi into di. Di is equal to, okay, fi into di. Fi into di. maybe even first the single digit elements, the number, single digit numbers. No problem. 7 into minus 6 minus 42, 6 into minus 4 minus 24, 9 into minus 2 minus 18, 0, f into 2, 2f, 5 into 4, 20, 6 into 4, 24. The totally 2f minus 40. 2f minus 40. So 20 plus 20, 44. 44 nearly 24 cancel. Next 20 plus 2 and minus 40. So adding the all elements. So 2f minus 10. No. So what is the mean? For example, here sigma fi is equal to 44 plus f. Sigma fi into di is equal to 2f minus 40. So mean is equal to formula in the fi into di, which method? Assumed mean method. Assumed mean method. Because here fi d xi are xi are 2 digit numbers, so big values, so we have to apply the assume mean method. So a plus sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Mean is equal to how much? Mean is equal to 18. A plus also 18 plus sigma fi into xi 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f. 18 cancel. 2f minus 40 by 44 plus f is equal to 0. 2f minus 40 is equal to 0. 2f is equal to 40. So f is equal to 20. What is the missing? What is the missing frequency? 20. Okay. This is direct method and assume mean method. This one. Okay, clear? Next. Okay, clear? Tomorrow, next, continue the exercise. Thank you.